Hey everyone, today we're revving up the excitement with a closer look at MTM's powerhouse creation, the 650 horsepower Audi RS3R. This beast is on the prowl, hungry for a taste of Corvette, Porsche, or Ferrari blood on the racetrack. With a beastly engine and a host of performance upgrades, the RS3R is ready to take on some of the fiercest competitors in the automotive world. MTM has left no stone unturned when it comes to transforming the Audi RS3 into a ferocious predator. With its 650 horsepower engine, this hot hatch can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blink of an eye, and it's not stopping there. From its aggressive styling to its finely tuned suspension, the RS3R is a force to be reckoned with. So, if you're a fan of speed and precision, this one's for you. Stay tuned as we explore every inch of this high-performance machine, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest automotive news and reviews. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.